Hello. Oil prices have eased this week whilst the bulls have taken charge of gas and electricity prices. Let's have a look at this week's movements in some more detail. Oil prices eased on Monday after the release of the OPEC monthly report, which forecasts a greater surplus for next year than previously forecast. The gain is mainly driven by the startup of an oil field in Kazakhstan. Brent continued to fall on Tuesday. The effect of the OPEC report continued to pressure prices lower. A stronger US dollar also contributed to the losses. Both Libya and Nigeria sent signals to the market which suggested a possible restart of several fields, and prices closed the session 77 cents per barrel lower as a result. Oil prices closed higher on Thursday after the weekly EIA report showed a reduction of crude inventories. Despite the gain seen on Thursday, front-month Brent closed last night at $46.81 per barrel, down $1.91 per barrel compared to last Friday. A heavily oversupplied system on Monday weighed down on prompt prices, which directed near-term contracts lower. Longer-dated contracts closed the session flat, despite bearish sentiment from oil. Oil contracts posted gains on Tuesday, with the prompt rising thanks to an increase in demand, particularly from the power sector. The pound weakened after the release of Britain's annual consumer price inflation rate, which was lower than expected, and this pressured prices higher. Despite a bullish start on Wednesday, all contracts eventually closed lower day on day. The bulls took charge on Thursday. An outage at the St Fergus terminal restricted supplies into the UK, and the system's length reduced in comparison to that seen earlier in the week. Higher oil prices also contributed to the gains seen on the curve. Last night, all contracts closed higher than last Friday. October 16 gained 2.6 pence per therm, whilst Winter 17 gained 0.7 pence per therm. All electricity contracts posted gains on Monday as forecasts of higher temperatures led to an increase in demand, whilst lower cost renewable generation was expected to remain low. Prices continued to rise throughout Tuesday's session. Forecasts of system tightness pressured prices higher. The bull run continued on Wednesday, and day ahead reached a record high as the supply concerns continued. Day ahead closed around £149 per megawatt hour, and October 16 closed the session at £5.20 per megawatt hour, higher day on day. The maintenance period has meant that there are a number of coal and gas plants offline, and also contributing to the system's tightness is the unplanned outages at Hartlepool Nuclear Unit and Drax Coal Facility. Prices eased on Thursday, but all contracts still closed higher compared to last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from the Energy Price Information tab on our website. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.